get me, I better line up.
Muddy down there. Hit it. Yes, sir. I know it. Dude, if you're watching this, I can read your body language. I knew. As soon as you got up and you got your little stance where your arms are out like your little chicken, and you better. He's not a chicken. No, he's actually the most confident person here. And I'm glad he's working on it. This is fun. Alright, you're doomed when you're exploring a new place. Always take it easy until you see where you're going, because you never know what's on the other side. Just a helpful tip when exploring new places. Don't go crazy. You're liable to end up in trouble. I take him to go see a little? No.
He's the reason why we're going to camp.
Oh, what happened now?
Brakes. We found out why he ain't got no brakes.
Why is that?
The knockoff plate on the side, on the back of it, back there is not tight enough. It's spewing liquid.
Oh.
Brake fluid.
Okay.
So we'll come back.
That's fine. Yeah, it's just a short little speed track. You'll like it. You just have to be careful on one little up bit, because if you go too fast over that, you'll jump it, and there's nowhere safe to land on the other side. Anyway, let's do it. Yeah, we're gonna do that first. Yeah, boy. Hey, Andrew. What's your redneck word of the day for Tinker Time with Andrew?
Gosh darn it, Bobby, my brakes broke again.
That's a sentence, not a word, but I'll take it.
Hey, yeah, I guess a good idea. Pass me a yoo-hoo. So, what happened? That's probably not going to create a good seal, but whatever. What happened is, you guys know my brakes have constantly just not worked. Same thing when I bought the new caliper. I didn't think to check the backside of this. It didn't even come with a seal. So there's supposed to be an O-ring on here, but obviously it didn't come with one. Anyway, he just had the idea of trying to wrap some electrical tape around it just to try and create a seal for now. So when we get back to the house, I can put the other one on it that does have a seal. No idea this is even going to work, because I don't even know if the brake fluid is going to eat the electrical tape. It probably will, but you know what? Who cares? At this point, I don't.
You've ridden it with no brakes so long, you know.
Yeah.
It won't be too big of an issue.
Well, I bled them this morning, and then I was saying I didn't have brakes, and then he looks down and says, "Oh my goodness, you're blowing fluid everywhere." I'm like, "Oh, great." So I don't know anymore. Anyway. We'll just tighten this down as far as we can get it, and then hopefully
Give a couple test pulls on the beach, and then come back and see if it's leaking.
No, all you gotta do is stand here.
Oh yeah, true. Like you're bleeding the brakes.
Like a ice cold juice.
Need to go? Yeah.
I know that people are probably gonna yell at me in the comments. Oh my God, it's not gonna work. I don't really care. You come fix my brakes for me.
We do what we gotta do to make it survive.
Come fix my brakes for me. We'll give you a yoo-hoo.
If we don't drink them all this weekend.
This is sponsored by Yoo-hoo.
No, it's not. We don't have it. No. If they did, we can put a Yoo-hoo logo on that sapsucker over there for racing.
Oh, hey.
It's already yellow, which seems to the...
Make you the 00 and just Yoo-hoo all the way.
That's what we need to do. We need to put the fenders on Yoo-hoo, put Yoo-hoo on the fenders and race.
With a 00, yeah.
Feels like poop.
Why do you know what poop feels like on your feet?
I don't know.
She owns a dog.
Well, yeah, because I stepped in dog poop.
So now, I gotta re-bleed my brakes because that's fun.
Yay!
I'll be back in a minute. I don't know how that happened.
Shout out my homies, we gon' ball for them trophies. Like they can't hold me, thinking God, I've been chosen. Go through the motions all them times, I was hopeless. Now we the coldest.
Look, I've been trying to tell y'all since like 1-3. Got my soul up in the trunk, get my God got the key. Spirit trying to talk.